Hi, my name is Taiga and I will be a rising senior at Monte Vista High School. For my main project, I did the object detection with deep learning using the Raspberry Pi because I was interested in machine learning in general and curious to see how a device such as the Raspberry Pi with no computational power could perform the task. As you can see here, the Raspberry Pi can detect common objects such as myself, the laptop, and the mouse. To get to this point, I first had to install Raspbian on the Raspberry Pi. Then I had to install TensorFlow, OpenCV, and protobuf using the command prompt. Finally, I had to download the Python file from the internet, which is used to initiate the object detection. The object detection that takes place in my setup is somewhat complicated. First, the Python file takes in an image from the Pi camera to process. Then protobuf and TensorFlow is used to communicate the tensors on that image to the model. The model then returns a confidence value which shows how confident the model is that some part of the image is an object. The Python file then draws boxes around the image, on the parts of the image which have a confidence value of over 0.3. By the way, a tensor is a multi-dimensional array which is used to compare an image with the category on the model. Although installing the Raspbian and the camera was easy on the Raspberry Pi, the steps that followed after were not so easy. I messed up when installing TensorFlow and ended up corrupting my version of pip used when troubleshooting. I had to reinstall Raspbian and start over. Even though installation afterwards went pretty straightforward, some commands still took over an hour, making the process very painful. Finally, the Python file I downloaded from the internet came with imports that I did not have. Fortunately, the Python file still worked without those imports, so I commented those out. Through this milestone, I was able to gain a better understanding on how tensors, protocol buffers, and OpenCV works, which are crucial components that work together in the back end to make object detection possible. Thank you.